Hi everyone, today I will be showing you one of the trading tools that Taurex offers, and it is called Acuity. Let's discover how our Forex traders can benefit from Acuity's advanced market sentiment analysis, real-time news tracking, and automated trading insights that can empower your Forex trading decisions, helping you stay ahead of the market with smarter strategies and enhanced risk management, all seamlessly integrated into your favorite trading platform. So first, let's log into our MT5 platform and go to Expert Advisors. Find the Signal Center Trade Ideas. Double click and then click on Yes. So Signal Center provides trading signals that are generated by technical and fundamental analysis. These signals are created by experienced analysts, making them more reliable and actionable compared to those generated solely by algorithms. For Forex traders, this means that access to high quality insights that can improve their decision making. As you can see on this page here, the green ones are the signal for buy and the red ones are for sell. And the ones that don't have any colors, they are already expired. On the top right corner, you can filter it by the confidence level, as well as the symbols and the status and the language. So Acurity's Signal Center offers detailed analysis and trade ideas that come with entry points, stop loss, and the take profit levels. This structured approach helps traders to make informed decisions and reduces the guesswork associated with forex trading. And the confidence level here represents the strength or probability that a given trade signal will reach its predicted target. It is a measure of how confident the analysts or the algorithms are in the success of the trade based on their analysis of market conditions. So high confidence level is around 75 to 90%. It indicates a stronger likelihood that the trade will achieve its expected outcome. This can be interpreted as more reliable signal suitable for traders looking for a higher probability of success. The medium confidence level is ranged between 50% to 75%, represents a moderate probability of success. This signal may require closer monitoring or risk management as the outcome is less certain than high confidence trades. And the low confidence level is usually below 50%, suggests a lower probability of success, potentially indicating higher market uncertainty or weaker supporting evidence for the trade idea. So let's take US 500 as example. You can see on the right hand side how the trade idea was generated, and also as well as the next volatility events. And if you decided to trade on this, just need to click on trade now